It's such a sunny day, I thought, well, let's get the 520 out again. This is a ripper little unit, this 520. Check out the link, guys, where you get it from. Grab yourself a discount while you're there. And let's just see why it's beeping at me. Quick calibration. Lovely. Down. Okay, calibrating done. I've hit the recorder. Hopefully she records some footage. And let's get up in the sky. So 3 beeps for nice and fast. So do a quick left and right so you guys can see what this thing does. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Watch the trees. Yeah, so the trees doesn't like the trees. So I've got a good explanation for what happened then. It's quite technical. However, bear with me. The cause of that crash was I messed up. Just flew straight into this. Okay, let's start the recording. Hopefully it's recording. Let's get up in the sky and see if we can just punch him up to our factory 80 meters. Oh, she goes. Okay, see ya. This steady little fly, this thing's a lot of fun. Again, guys, yeah, smash that link in the description if you want to have a look at grabbing this unit. Pretty decent price at the moment, and heaps of fun. Great beginner drone. Let's do a bit of a circle around. I might take a photo while we're up there. This is a bit of a younger brother of the E511S. Check up on the screen there, have a look at some footage from that drone. This is a 720, that one's a 1080. However, the picture quality from this is actually still pretty good. Leave me a comment, tell me what you think. It's a sub $200 drone, so not expecting 4K or anything like that. However, she's a pretty decent unit. Okay, let's head up to 80 meters and hopefully she's going to have a bit of a beep. Bit of a carry on, which tells us we've gone far enough, and there we go. There's our 80 meter, don't go any further beep. Let's bring that down to about 75, she'll stop. Okay, so let's cruise out here. She might just go the other way, over the golf course there, in case it falls, you can land on a golfer's head. Oh, didn't want to go anywhere then, just sort of stopped. Where are you going? We're going over here, mate. There we go. Over you go. So now we'll just have a quick look at its 200 meter distance alarm, make sure that's working. Why the heck not? Oh, it's a long way away, isn't it? So we're 74 meters up, and just find some shade here, guys. Oh, I've lost sight of it now, and we may have lost FPV as well, so that's interesting. So I'm 154 meters away at the moment, and I seem to have lost FPV, so not to worry. I shall just come back towards myself. I can hear it, but I can't see it. So I'm not too sure what's going on there. I can see it in the sky now. I have line of sight. Still have lost FPV footage, so okay, we've got it back again. Maybe not as good a pickup with the video feed as the 511, because I can go pretty much 200 meters at 80 meters up and still regain excellent FPV feed, so it's something to think about. Nonetheless, this thing's a little ripper. Alright, let's bring it back down. is a great fun little thing, guys. Look at getting into some drone flying. I recommend something like this, absolutely. I'm going to take a photograph of that. It's still recording some footage. Looking pretty cool. Let's come down and do some speed passes, shall we? Let's try not to hit the ash trees. So 3 beeps for nice and fast. Let's come back down here. And here we go. Fairly quiet drone. Certainly not the noisiest that I've flown before. You can see that number 1 speed is a bit sketchy. However, she's a nice little unit. Looking pretty good. Okay, let's scoot around the oval. A little bit of dip in with throttle forward, so you do need to compensate for that a bit. Otherwise, you will crash. Yeah, but it's not too bad actually. Not too sure which way I'm facing now, so I think I might just go up in the sky and spin it around and come back this way and come back this way. Yeah, if you ever get in trouble with sort of seeing where you are, guys, just stop what you're doing and go straight up the sky. Not quite by for now, but yeah, straight up the sky and hold yourself steady, pull yourself around, and you can see exactly where you need to be and where you need to go so that you don't lose her. And that is an expert talking, by the way. Flight time, yeah, I think it's about 15-20 minutes by memory. I've done a few videos of this guy, so yeah, have a look on the screen there. I'll stick them up on the screen for you. Check out the reviews I've done. I'm just having a bit of a hack around fly with this thing, keeping the batteries charged. See if I can hit one of those footy poles. Oh, it's the sort of thing I do.
So when you get stuck with this, you're a long way from home and you think what's going on? You whack the return on button. You don't know what that is. You can flick the back of your device over and your remote control unit over and you can actually cross that one and you go to series what. So when can you return? Which is actually, so I'm going to push that. I'm going to pretend I'm lost. And it should return to pretty much where she took off. So let's fly up over here. It's going up in the sky, wrong way up. And go right up there, and go right over there.
And then I'll say, oh my goodness, I seem to be lost. Where am I? Where am I? I'm completely lost. I shall hit the return to home button and hopefully all will be well. So she emits a beep, she starts thinking, now where do I need to go? I'm hoping it comes back this way. Pretty cool feature. Most of the newer drones do this, so looks like it's sort of returning. Yeah, here it comes. Look at that. 42, 37%, 36% power, so it's probably good timing as well. So what it's going to do, it's going to return to roughly where it took off. It's going to drop down to, I believe, around 20-30 meters and just sit there until it runs out of power completely. And then it's going to come down. Right. It's looking pretty good. There we go. So what's going to happen now? 61 meters up. 63. Oh, it's actually getting higher. 62, 61 now. It's decided to come recording this with steady shot on with the Osmo action. The link up the top there, and she's coming down, and I believe it's going to land roughly where, well, we took off just over here, so hey, that's not too bad, but I'll bring it over here because I'm lazy. There we go. Awesome, guys. Like always, smash that thumbs up. Drop me a comment. Got any questions about this drone or any other drone I'm flying? And yeah, check out the links. Grab yourself a bargain. Banggood.com. Good stuff. I'm pretty happy. See you in the sky. Sky pilot. Bye for now. Party's over.